Greetings, bakers. Welcome to Breeze Food and Fun, and today we'll be making this pound cake. In a bowl, combine 1 pound of sifted all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and a pinch of baking soda, along with 1.5 teaspoons of salt, and whisk it together well until fully combined. Now set it aside and work on the wet ingredients. To a bowl, combine 1 pound or 4 sticks of butter, which is equal to that box I just showed you. And be sure to use unsalted butter. And add in about 1 pound of sugar. I used 2 cups. And beat it on high speed for about 8 minutes using a spatula to clean out the sides when needed. Now add in a teaspoon of vanilla extract, half a teaspoon of almond extract, and 1.5 tablespoons of lemon juice, and mix that in until combined. Now we make a detour to deal with the eggs. For this recipe we need 9 eggs, so crack them into a bowl. Now back to the wet ingredients. We need to add the eggs in 4 increments. You can beat the eggs together and then pour them, but I decided to add 2 eggs, 3 eggs, 2 eggs, and 2 eggs, beating in between each increment. And beat the eggs together until just combined. Now use a spatula to fold it in. Now add the dry ingredients in 4 increments. So flour, mix, flour, mix, flour, mix, flour, mix, until just combined. We still don't want to overbeat the mixture. Once that's done, use a spatula to fold in the sides. And now butter your pans. I'm using the butter wrappers from before, and we do this so that the cake won't stick. If you're scared, you can add flour as well. Once that's done, evenly divide the batter into both of your 9x5 inch pans. You can also use a bundt pan, but the baking time would increase. Now using a spatula, smooth down the surface of your cakes, shake it and tap it onto the counter to remove air bubbles, and bake in the oven at 325 degrees for 60 to 65 minutes. While the cake cools, we'll make our lemon glaze. To a bowl, add 3/4 cup of powdered sugar, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/4 teaspoon of almond extract, and mix together. The consistency should be runny like this. Back to the cakes. Once it's fully cooled, get a cutting board or a wire rack, and using an offset spatula, go around the edge of the cake to loosen it. Now flip your cake over onto your cutting board or wire rack, reposition it, and repeat the same steps with the other cake. Now it's time to glaze the cakes. I used the glaze for one of the cakes. You could disseminate it across both if you like, and it looked beautiful. Here's some final footage of the cake. It tastes great when you eat it the same day, but it's better when you leave it overnight. Thanks for watching!